Pure Filipino and you are from? Good morning everyone. Happy Thursday. Mod Verdela. Are you Espanyol? I'm from Philippines, my friend. Philippines, good country. Yes. Where are you from? Verdela? Turkey. Alright. Thank you so much. Or would you come here in Philippines and visit our beautiful beach resorts, and we have Chocolate Hills located at Bohol. Alright, Boracay, nice resort or beach in Boracay, one of most popular in the Philippines. Boracay, our heritage here in the Baguio. Yes, it's a cheap country and very beautiful. Yes, thank you so much for both you. Thank you so much, and happy Souls Day. Right? Thank you so much. You have a channel. If you have a channel, please drop, and I will pin to support your channel. And please don't forget to thumbs up. Thumbs up. Alright, don't forget to thumbs up. Alright, yeah. Torbo from Turkish. You know, the other people Turkish not write English, but you know write the English language. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. My friend teach language Tagalog, and if you here in the Philippines, hope you teach small Tagalog, and that's why Filipino you understand the Tagalog language. All right.